Hey, Julie Muse here, just hanging out by the printer today. But I had this quick thought. You know, when you're flipping houses, I want to tell you like the biggest mistake mentally that I had is when I would go to flip a house, I wanted to put the finishings in there like I was going to live there, right? And I did all of these extra things because I kept thinking, oh, if I lived here, I would do this. And if I lived here, I would do that. That is the worst mistake you'll ever make. Because listen, you don't live at these houses, right? All you've got to do is get them to the standard in which is comparable to the other properties that are selling for that area. Don't waste your money on these little things that isn't going to make you more money. You don't live there. You're not gonna live there. So it took me a long time to realize that all these decisions I was making about these properties in my mind were things that I wanted, okay? So don't waste your money on stupid stuff like that. It just fix the house up good enough for it to sell. I mean, you want to put out a good product and you want it to be beautiful. Don't overdo it. You're never going to live there. If you want to work with me, just go ahead and click the link above at calljuliemuse.com. It's going to go right to my calendar, and either myself or my partner Mary will talk to you about how you can get in this business. I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon. Bye.